Well, I think everybody will agree with me when I say that both the US and overseas markets have digested yesterday's FOMC meeting very well. We've seen Shiba Inu price surge to the upside along with other assets in the space. And right now, Shiba Inu is sitting at some very, very important levels, and it's within striking distance of a massive breakout. I'm Luckside. Welcome to the channel. If you guys haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, hit that bell. Again, it's free to do, and we'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So this is the move for SHIB, guys, right? This started taking place obviously yesterday morning, and it's just continued to surge and surge and surge all the way through the night, even into this morning, where it actually broke this recent high that we set on Friday the 13th. Okay. So we've seen SHIB make some very important moves here. In fact, my indicator showed a bunch of great buy zone opportunities when we were down in this range yesterday. Hopefully people are using my indicator and had an opportunity to take advantage of that, because even just from there to the sell zone, guys, that's a 7% move. This surge for Shiba Inu in general was over a 10% move. Again, guys, there's a 7-day free trial on it. It costs less than $1 a day anyways. Make sure you guys check it out. There's a link in the description below. But right now, SHIB has been on this quest to get back to this long-term trend line. So we're kind of back on script now. This is very important for Shiba Inu. And what I will say is even more important is what lies ahead for this. So when we look at this Shiba Inu chart, guys, there is a very short move that can happen for Shiba Inu that may indicate quite a sizable breakout. And this move is actually from right now at our 50-day moving average, which is where Shiba Inu tapping its trend line, tapping our gift zone. We're kind of at all these points converging together. I'll just kind of zoom in here so you guys can see this, right? We have all these three things taking place at once, right? Bottom of the gift zone, right at our long-term trend line, and then our 50-day moving average right here. If SHIB breaks this resistance, guys, which we've been fighting here for quite some time, you guys can see all the way from back in June, it is a very short throw up to our 100-day moving average, which is actually the top of our trend line here, right? This is our huge opportunity for a breakout. This is a breakout from our trend that we've been dealing with since the March high. So this is very, very important, guys. Those are kind of converging right around the same point. And maybe this happens here, maybe it happens somewhere out here, wherever it may be, right? But Shiba Inu is going to be on this quest when we do escape these ranges. And this is only, guys, this is only what, a 10% move or so? Yeah, only about a 10% move. It's not very hard. It's not very difficult to do. If you get the right things taking place in the market, this may be something that propels SHIB higher. All right. This is, remember, our local break box here. We have our higher break box up here. So these ranges are not that far away. I've seen some people say, oh yeah, SHIB hasn't done very well. We're not doing the right thing. Guys, higher high, higher low, higher high, hopefully a higher low if we do get a retest and come back down here. But if things continue to build from what we're seeing right now, if we continue to see some of this positive sentiment resonating through the rest of the week, if you see institutional money continue to buy, if you see BTC do what it's doing here right now up at about mid 62K range, if it can close this week above this 20-week moving average, guys, our bull market support band, these are all very, very important things for that rebound leg, that wave 3 like we've talked about, okay? That's what everybody needs to understand. The market, when it gets a rocket up its butt, it can start moving very quickly. Then FOMO ensues, prices start rallying, and we're singing a very different tune than we were singing just a few days ago, just a few weeks ago, all right? So pay attention to these levels. If SHIB starts making some of these moves, that is a very important thing to watch, because it may in fact be off to the races. Now, guys, what I will say is that I do still, again, have my Margex positions open. You guys can see I'm up 61% on my ADA long. I don't have a SHIB long. Gosh, I wish I would have opened one up yesterday. I freaking knew it too. I'm very disappointed in myself for that. But I will say this, there's tons of opportunity in the market. I will be still using Margex and trading with leverage here and there. If you guys are interested in doing so, there's a referral link in the description below. Again, you can earn up to $10,000 in deposit and trading bonuses. There's no KYC, and that Caspa airdrop only has 3 days left on it, guys. So definitely check that out if that's something that you guys are interested in. Let me know your thoughts below. Do you guys think that we're going to continue trying to cross this big gap and get back up to the top of our trend for SHIB to begin making its breakout? Appreciate you guys. Have a great day. Show your love below. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.